Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance. Air India problems, Emirates news and American Airlines expansion in 2024. In 2024, Air India grapples with operational challenges, facing delays and fleet maintenance issues. Meanwhile, Emirates expands its network and enhances services to meet high demand, further solidifying its global presence. American Airlines, on a growth path, broadens its routes, focusing on both domestic and international markets, aiming to improve connectivity and passenger experience. Air India challenges operational setbacks. Air India has faced various operational challenges post-privatization, including delayed flights, technical issues, and logistical inefficiencies. Despite Tata Group's acquisition, these issues continue to impact customer experience and reliability. Fleet modernization struggles. The carrier is working to update its aging fleet, but sourcing new planes amidst global supply chain bottlenecks is challenging. With a large aircraft order from Airbus and Boeing, deliveries are staggered, slowing immediate fleet upgrades. Service quality concerns. Passengers frequently report dissatisfaction with service quality, citing issues like outdated cabin interiors and limited in-flight entertainment. Addressing these aspects remains crucial for the airline to compete with major international players. Pilot shortages. Air India is grappling with pilot shortages as it expands its routes, impacting the frequency and reach of flights. Recruitment and training take time, leading to operational gaps and potential delays. Rebranding and image overhaul. In an effort to modernize, Air India has rolled out a new brand identity. However, improving perception and creating a consistent brand experience across services remains a challenging and lengthy endeavor. Emirates news. Fleet expansion and new aircraft. Emirates has received new Airbus A350 and Boeing 777X aircraft orders to upgrade and diversify its fleet, enhancing fuel efficiency and passenger comfort. This expansion reflects Emirates' commitment to maintaining a state-of-the-art fleet. Partnerships and codeshare agreements. Emirates is strengthening partnerships with airlines like United Airlines and Qantas, broadening its network reach. These alliances enable seamless connections, benefiting passengers with easier access to international routes. Sustainability initiatives. Emirates is advancing its sustainability efforts by investing in biofuel technology, fuel-efficient engines, and reducing single-use plastics on flights. Its sustainability strategy is part of a broader initiative to meet environmental standards and adapt to global climate goals. American Airlines expansion in 2024. Network growth and international expansion. American Airlines has announced new long-haul routes to Europe, Latin America, and Asia. By entering emerging markets and expanding current ones, American aims to capture more of the international travel demand as tourism and business travel rebound. Investment in customer experience and technology. American is upgrading its fleet with newer, fuel-efficient aircraft and focusing on cabin refurbishments to improve customer experience. From in-flight Wi-Fi to refreshed lounges, American Airlines is leveraging technology and comfort to attract premium travelers. Each of these airlines is navigating unique challenges and opportunities in a competitive global market. While Air India faces operational and service-oriented hurdles in its rebranding phase, Emirates is advancing sustainability and partnerships to maintain its leadership position. Meanwhile, American Airlines is taking strategic steps to expand its network and upgrade its fleet to enhance customer experience. The strategies of these airlines reflect broader trends in aviation as they strive to adapt to passenger needs, market demands, and global environmental standards. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.